Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating. Michelle asked me to do a quick demo of how we might be able to help you here with this application. So first of all, I just want to go ahead and put the dimensions in that you had provided. So these are just estimated dimensions. I have the wall here at about 12 feet to the center of the post, and the height here at the top of this beam being 8 feet. And then of course the well, the distance here doesn't really matter, but I do have the distances roughly about 3'7". I think this one over here is 3'9" from inside edge to inside edge. There's a fan here. There's a doorway here. I see that there is some sort of eave with a rooftop here that comes down. I'm not quite sure what the height is, but that will be important. And I think that's about it. I know there's a seating area here, and then there's a small chair table over here. I don't know what's on the left hand side. I don't know if this solid rooftop comes all the way over or how far over it does come. I do suspect that it's a slope ceiling, so that's going to be important also. So what you have originally is something like this. These are the CD4024s, 4,000 watt dual elements. You can see here that you know, with the clearances to combustibles below, I'm not meeting that edge over here, so I'm not quite sure what to say about that. You might have to move the heaters closer together in order to accomplish that. Also, with the slope ceiling, you might also have to move the heaters down. I have these at 60 degrees pointed down, trying to get the most I can with a table. So yeah, you might have to move these heaters. Let me just go ahead and do that right now. Down to it's probably just another 2 inches there. Looks about right at that 60-degree tilt. And so now we're meeting our clearances up there, but we still have that issue over here with this post. So I'm not sure if this, like I said, if these can come in a little bit further. Over here you can see those eaves. I'm into that clearance area over here with that heater as well, so this may or may not be able to work for you. You can, like I said, you can move the heaters a few inches or maybe a foot in from the edge so that you're 18 inches from this point here to the inside edge of the heater itself. So that's one option. And then I want to show you a different option. You might be able to place the heaters on these beams. Now if you do place the heaters on the beams, you're going to need to put a block or something to take up this extra gap. This heater needs to be level. But as you can see here, this is about 7 feet, maybe 7 feet 8 inches or 6 inches rather off the finished floor. So that will be kind of close for a 4,000 watt unit. And you might consider putting a control system where you can dim the heaters. And also you can see that I'm not heating up the table properly, so that might not be the answer as well. But at least it's a slightly better option than the other. You can see I'm meeting the clearances close. I don't know what the fan diameter is, but I'm close to meeting that clearances. So it's something else to think about. All right, so let's take that option off. I'm going to remove the fan here. Maybe you can just take the fan and move it to the center point here, but that would no longer be above the table. I understand that. Or just eliminate the fan altogether. If you eliminate the fan altogether, and do an option 3 where you have the heaters that are recessed into these cavities kind of, and again you'd have to put a block up here to take up the extra gap because the heater needs to be level. So you can see that on this side here it's not connected, but on that side there it's connected to the ceiling. Clearances to combustibles are all met. Our footprint of heat is fairly decent. Again, it's still not meeting in the middle, but we are heating up some of this area out here, so you might want to just change this angle 5-10 degrees pointed towards this way to get a little bit better coverage, and same with this, maybe 5-10 degrees inwards. So those are a couple of different options just to show you how we might be able to help. And again, there's the eave issue over here, but it's not so much over here. And again, I don't know what this eave, how it really comes out here, so I think I have this probably extended too far out than I should already. All right, well, I hope this helps in some way. Thank you very much.